Hello, I'm Rajesh. I've built an application called Mentify. It's an all-in-one solution for mental health issues. So the reason I built this application is because it's one of the problem I have faced in early of my career. When I got started into programming, I just used to have headaches due to because I spent most of my time watching screen when I was programming. So I didn't know the solution then. So I just went through a lot of blogs and I got to know the solution that then I've like changed my fonts, and the complete team of my editor. Now it's okay for me. But what if others face it? So there is, and there might also be severe health consequences also, health issues also. Rather than headaches, there's also mental health conditions like depression and many of the things. Not only programmers but even common people face it. But many of them do not go to doctors because they fear to tell their weaknesses and all of them to others. So I've designed this Mentify application. So the entire application is powered by Gemini Pro. It is a large language model published by Google, and I have used this model to power the entire application. And I've used prompt engineering in this too. So basically, this application has this motto. It achieves the following objectives, and it has all these features. And I believe that it can really solve your problem. If you're interested, you can try it up, or you can also build your own applications on top of this application. I would be really happy to see people solving real world problems. So this is just my contribution to the society. So I'll just go to the application and explain it to you how it's working. So this is our application, Mentify. So this is a splash screen. I've used interactive elements in it, so to make it look good and also fun to use. Yeah. So this is the home page. So yeah, you can see. First of all, let's go to Imagine. Yeah. So what is Imagine? Imagine is an avatar generator. It's not only an avatar generator, but it also has the ability to swap your faces with avatar you have generated, your fantasy avatars. So the reason I've added this application is that it generally helps you. It generally helps you to cure your mental diseases. It's because it is fun to use as well as it also improves your imagination, and it is also very fun. Let's see how it works. You have to choose a genre here, upload your photo, and just go to lexica.art and just take copy some prompt and okay, click on generate. Then the image is generated. Okay, something wrong with it. Again, I'll try again. Yeah, let's. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, you can see this. It's my face, and this is avatar. So it generally swapped my face with this avatar. So and it also has another feature. You can also send this avatar to your image also. I mean to your email. Have you implemented a reason in it? Go to email address, gender, upload your image. Yeah, this one. Now paste the prompt. Click on generate image. We have selected to send it to our email. So when the avatar gets generated, the avatar image will be sent to your email so that we can download from there. Yeah, the avatar had been sent to your email. Let's see that. Yeah, see, you can see that. We got the image. 10 minutes, it's loading. Yeah, see, we found it. Yeah. So now we will go to council. So what is council? Council is generally a chat bar which is built using Gemini Pro. The major advantage of this chatbot is that it can also act as a counselor for your health counselor. It can answer any question, and the major advantage is that you can train this chatbot using MakerSuite, which is very easy. And it also has a lot of features here. You can see, you can download it, you can copy it, you can also upload the files here. So you can ask any question. How to cure my depression? Yeah, send the prompt. Yeah, and also the major advantage is that you can just change it anytime. Just, yeah, it's loading. Let's see what's the issue. Yeah, you can see it, right? Yeah, I can. What is depression? And we are getting this results here. You can basically download this file too. Yeah, you can see entire thing will be in this. And here is this thing for it's my favorite thing, blog. So this blog is generally user-friendly application where all the people can just write their blogs related to health, so that people can go here and they can search for their solution here. It's basically open source. Anyone can contribute to this blog, and this is authentication management. So a user can manage all his yeah, you can connect email address, password, and all this user flow here. You can also delete it account here. So this is the contact us. Okay. So why is this helpful is that people can just contact us anytime. If they face an issue with it, they can contact us and we'll respond to them. So many people just want have some problems which they want to share with other person, but they do not find right persons there. So any person can come here and contact us. We can literally help them through it. Now let's do get started. Yeah. So this is our main window. So these are the diseases. These are the like problems many people face. I have just categorized all the main problems here: anger, depression, anxiety, panic attacks. So we can just select any one of them. So basically, this is a very basic text like what it is about. Then you can click on get guidance. When you click on get guidance and click on get details, you will be getting a like what causes anger and what is a cure for it. See, so basically, I've used prompt engineering here. So yeah, that's it. You'll be getting all these details from the bot. Now let's go back. Now let's also take a evaluate. So basically, what this is that this is generally used to evaluate your mm, like what is your condition, like in anger, like what is your condition, what are the precautions you're following, and based on that it will provide you a cure, and it also tells you like what are the precautions you have to take for this issue, and it also gives you a medal reward system. It also is a reward system. I'll just show it. So if you are following the correct precautions, it will just give a smile, like it's also like a reward. And if you are not following like correct things, it will just give a sad face, like it's denying it and you should not do it. So for example, how would you describe the intensity? So so what is the use of is that? So whenever a correct thing is selected, for example, if anger is there, there might be a thing that anger should be mild. So you have to, even though your anger is very high and you select that, the bot shows that it is not good. So the bot shows that it is not good. It means that you should not select it. The bot shows that it is not good, so it means that should it should not be there. See, always. So having guilt on anger is might be a good thing. So I've just used good expressions for it. We can also change the quizzes, and every problem there's a different quiz. See, and based on that you will get a bronze. We got a out of 6, we got 30. 30. So our intensity is 6. It means that it is ours is very low. So based on the personality test, they're creating a response to diagnose anger. So this is this. Yeah. So this is all. Okay. Now let's go to virtual therapist. So the reason I've used this therapist system, many people do not find a proper therapist for it. So I've used Gemini Pro to act as a therapist. How to diagnose depression. Yeah. So now let's end it. Yeah. The major advantage is that many people do not get a therapist. So by using LLMs as a therapist, we can like literally help a large mass of people. And also, this therapist is very advanced because it helps because it is connected with internet and it has a very good amount of data. I feel that this could help a lot of people. And the major advantage is that you can train the therapist using MakerSuite very easily. So this is a document question and answer. Yeah, it's not a document question and answer. You can also upload your complete medical history here, and based on that medical history, you can ask any questions and you can get answers to it. And also you can also get personalized recommendation based on your medical history. Suppose here I am uploading my resume. Rajesh not resume. Yeah, you can see here. I'm just uploading the resume. Submitting it. Submit and process. So it will be processing. Okay. Wait it. Rajesh study. Okay, I've just asked the question. And we said so I've studied here and it's correct. So basically you can ask any question in the medical history and you can also so the model just analyzes all the data from it and just and whatever the question you ask, it will try to answer you. Yeah. So now okay, let's go to get started and yeah. And this is thing called recog. So what is this recog about? For example, you might have a disease. For example, you have rashes, but you don't know what it is. Like you don't know like many people do not even able to recognize the disease properly. For example, let's say chickenpox. They cannot recognize okay whether what type of disease it is. Okay, so now I'm going to download the image. Chicken, okay, it's already there. Just use it. Choose an image. Okay, you'll get a preview here. Okay, what is the disease the person in the image is suffering from? It's loading. Hmm, there might be an error. Okay, wait a minute. I'll just do it again. So this is the code. So image record. So this is the complete app. Okay, okay. So the API key is not correct here. I'll just correct it. Wait a minute. Okay, actually it's Google API key and I pass it Gemini API key. Wait a minute, I'll just correct this one. Yeah, here the think route. Yeah, here. Okay, done. Now it won't hang showing the error. Done. Yeah, let's wait some minutes. Let's wait some time. It will be working. Yeah, Mentify. Yeah, okay. So it's basically getting built. I deployed it on Vercel, so it takes very less time. Okay. Yeah, it's done. Now let's go to the application. Let's refresh it and upload the same image. You have sent the request. Now we might get the response. Yeah, you can see that you get a chicken pox, which is correct. So this thing can not only be used for disease recognition, but also you can also get a recognition of drugs, and you can also get a personalized personalized like how to use those drugs and what are, you can also get a complete information about a drug based only on photo based on a photo, and its accuracy is very high. So I'll also work on this UI more to make it very more good. So I think that's it. I'm also planning to improve this application. If any one of you are interested to work with me, you can just contact me. You can also follow my GitHub and LinkedIn. Thank you.